See, assertion. Amount and other data relating to a recorded transaction event has been recorded appropriately, accurately. Assertion. Something should be recorded. What had happened? Example: you made a purchase of a car for 15 lakhs, but does not include insurance. The insurance is separate amount. Sales tax, road tax is different amount, and other registration charges different amount. You are classifying vehicle, GST, road tax, these all things you are classifying separately, and consolidatedly you are posting it in a fixed asset. You are charging everything into the assets rather than you are claiming the input, GST. So accurately entering everything you are stating, so this is the expense we are capitalizing, insurance we incur, we are capitalizing, this is the road tax we paid, but we are capitalizing it. So whatever happened, you are accurately entering it. That is assertion. Amount and other data relating to recorded transactions and event has been recorded appropriately. Had happened and appropriately it is recorded. That is accuracy in assertion.